Question sheet. How to use the tool. Follow this tutorial to learn how to create exercises with the question sheet tool. Insert into mozaBook. Insert exercises into your exercise book. Let's find out how to use the question sheet tool. Give your worksheet a title here. Give each exercise a title. Enter your question here. Enter possible answers here. You can even add images to illustrate your questions and answers. Insert images from the media library or from a sketch page where you have collected images beforehand. Simply drag and drop images on the image icon, and they will be added to your answer immediately. Mark the correct answer. You can set whether you want to display the answers in columns or rows. Save the exercise when you are finished. Click on this icon if you want to add another exercise. Click here if you want to add more possible answers to the exercise. Click on this icon if you want to switch from a single choice to a multiple choice exercise. Click here if you want to delete the last answer. Save the exercise when you are finished. Click on this icon if you want to delete the exercise. Click on the pencil icon if you want to edit an exercise that you have already saved. Save the worksheet to your exercise book so it can be used later. Right-click the icon you have inserted to see more options. Click here if you want to return to editing mode, where you can edit your exercises or add new ones. Click on the Open menu item to do the exercises. You cannot edit the exercises after clicking on the Open menu item. Check your results after you have done the exercises. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.